Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. So for today's video, I will be doing a quick unboxing / review type of thing. Maniology did go ahead and send me out a couple more products for me to review for you guys. These products I was able to choose on my own, and I did want to gravitate more towards some Christmassy type of nail plates and polishes for you guys. So the first nail plate I did go ahead and show was obviously a Christmas themed nail plate. I believe these are all new releases that they came out with a couple weeks ago. So I did go ahead and choose these to kind of like showcase for you guys and use for a set. This one here is a very beautiful one as well, like I said, Christmassy theme. And then again, same thing for the stamping polishes. I did want them to be Christmassy type of colors for you guys to kind of see. So this one here is an actual trio. These all come in one like little trio collection. There is a red, green, and kind of like a pearlescent type of color as well. So I am just quickly taking them out of the packaging, and then here I will get into kind of showing you what the colors look like. So this first one here, the red color, is called Winterberry. It is a very beautiful red with kind of like a pearlescent type of like thing to it. I don't really know how to describe it, but it is more of like a pearlescent type of red color. I thought it was very beautiful, and I thought it'd go perfect for some Christmas sets. And then this one here is called Spearmint. It's a very beautiful green, kind of like a true green color. So I was super excited for that because, you know, like red and green is mainly the like colors for Christmas type or Christmas time. And then this one here is called Cloudy. Like I said, it's a very beautiful kind of like a pearlescent color to it as well. I do kind of have a color similar to this one, which is called Euphoria. So I'm super excited to find a time to make a nail set using those colors. So this is everything I did receive. I do have the link down to Maniology along with my discount code if you're interested in trying any other products. So getting right into the video, we will be doing a simple and easy press-on nail tutorial for you guys. So I am taking the almond nail tips from Unigella, and I am just buffing off the surface of the nail tips, just kind of removing the shine from the nails before we get into the actual nail art. And then with almond nails, I do kind of like to file the free edge ahead of time. So I am just taking my 100 grit hand file and kind of removing the like pointed part of the like tip of the nail, if that makes sense. Kind of like where the tab of the nail would be. I don't know if that makes any sense, but yeah, I'm just kind of rounding it out a bit more to kind of have a nice almond shape for the nails, and then we will continue on for the rest of the nails. So before we get into the actual like portion of the video or of the nail set, I am just taking some base gel from BombNailz, and I am applying that to all of the nails, and then once that is done, I do go ahead and cure for 30 seconds in the nail light. I do also quickly want to mention this is my very first Christmassy wintry type of nail set, so I'm super excited to get into all those types of nail sets. If you have any type of specific nail, like Christmas or winter related nail design you want to see, go ahead and comment down below, and I will try my hardest to get those in. I really do want to get in as many Christmassy and wintry nail sets as I can before like Valentine nail sets come. So once I am done curing that, I will be taking Classic White from KAIROSE Nail Supply, and I am applying a very thin layer of that to all the nails. As you can see, this gel polish is super pigmented, so you only need one coat. If you're interested, I do always have the link down below as well. And then once I am done applying this to all the nails, I do go ahead and cure for 60 seconds in the nail light. So getting into the colors we will need for today's set, I will be using this glittery red gel polish I purchased off of Amazon. I will try my hardest to leave it linked down below and just in the description box if you're interested. And then I will be using the color Winterberry from Maniology from early on in the video. And then for the stamping plate, I will be using this one here. I didn't flip over the packaging to tell you. Oh, right here, it's M400. So if you're interested in this specific stamping plate, I will go ahead and also leave that link down below for you guys as well. And then I feel like I always need to leave this part in with me removing the blue film, because it's just so satisfying. Like if you've ever purchased a stamping plate and you remove that film, like it's just so satisfying. But anyways, I am also getting my stamping cube and my scraper tool, and here I did go ahead and apply that red gel polish to like the little candy cane design here at the bottom. And then I picked up the design, and to me it just didn't look like it picked up right. As you can see here, it just kind of looks splotchy. So I did go ahead and kind of clean off everything and restart. So this is my second try right here. And this time what I did is I applied a little bit more of that stamping polish to the nail plate, so that way it has like more polish for it to kind of get into all the crevices. And as you can see here, it picked up perfectly. So I am stamping this specific design only on the index nail and the ring nail. And this is an air dry type of polish, so you don't need to cure it in the UV light or anything like that. And then this is how I clean off my little stamping cube. I just apply some double-sided tape to a paper and kind of roll off that excess. And then I do apply a little bit of acetone. This is 100% acetone onto a cotton ball, and kind of clean up the nail plate as well to kind of remove all of that polish. And then I will be getting back to the design. So like I said, I will be doing that same exact candy cane design on the ring nail, and then again letting that air dry. You do not need to cure this in a UV light. So these are what the nails are looking like so far after I've done the stamping design. So I will be taking my 18mm liner brush from KAIROSE Nail Supply and also that glittery red gel polish color, and I will be doing some kind of like candy cane stripes going across the rest of the nails. So these don't have to be absolutely perfect. You can obviously do kind of like a straight diagonal line, but I did kind of want to have like a little curve to it, so that is what I am doing. And this first portion I am just doing some thicker lines, because later on I will be going ahead and applying some thinner lines in between those. And also feel free to cure in between each nail if you feel like that is necessary for you. Since this is a super easy design, I am just going ahead and putting it back on the nail stand and then getting right into the next nail. And then I do go ahead and cure all the nails at once once I am done completing the candy cane swirl design on each of the nails. So the main reason I didn't do any of the thinner lines in between these thicker lines here at the moment is because I didn't know if I absolutely wanted to do that at first. I just knew I wanted to do this like striped candy cane design, but I didn't know if I wanted to insert those little thin lines in between, so that's why I just did the thicker lines here first, and then later on you will see that I did go ahead and add those thinner lines in between. So like I said, I wasn't sure if I wanted to do those thin lines, so off camera I did this just to see if I liked it, and if I did, then I just continued to do it on the rest of the nails like I am doing here. But the reason I did it off camera is so that way if I did not like it, I can just wipe it off and then continue on with the video. As you can see, like I said, I decided to add those kind of cute thin lines in between just to add a bit more detail. And then again, I am curing that for 30 seconds once I am done with all of that detail as well. So once the nails are done curing, these are what they look like. So to get into our top coating, I will be using our classic diamond gel top coat from KAIROSE Nail Supply as well. And I am making sure to press that in very nicely into all of the 3 nails with the candy cane designs on it, just because some of the spots are a little bit raised and you want to make sure to top coat in between all the crevices and everything like that. And then once I am done top coating, I do go ahead and cure that in the light again for 60 seconds. That is pretty much the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!